I've just bought about 3 pounds of fresh peanuts. Now, I know if you're in certain parts of the country, you probably don't know what boiled peanuts are. So what they are is you take fresh peanuts that were just dug, just pulled out of the ground. And these are called, you'll hear them called more than one thing. They're either raw peanuts, fresh peanuts, or green peanuts. And they basically are the same thing. And so what you do is you take the green peanuts and put them in a large pot. I have this stock pot here that I'm using. And you wash the peanuts and put them in and cover them with water. You get plenty of water. And for the 3 pounds of peanuts, I'm putting a half cup of salt, or almost a little bit less than half a cup, because they do take a lot of salt. And I'm going to put them on to boil and let them boil. It'll take between 2 and 3 hours probably to get tender. This is not one of those things where you want to cook them just to a crunchy texture. You want them to be done. So it'll take probably 2.5 to 3 hours. So after about 2 hours, I'll start tasting them to see if they're done yet. Now, you'll need to watch them because you'll need to add water. You want to keep plenty of water on them. And when they're done, if they're still not salty, you don't want to add more salt and then cook them some more. You don't want to overcook them. So just add some more salt and let them set for another hour or so in the brine, which is the salt water. I'm going to take the pot now and put it on the stove, turn the fire on, and let it get started cooking. The peanuts have now been cooking for almost 3 hours, and they're finally done. And if I don't stop tasting them, there won't be anything left to eat tomorrow. These are just so good. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe and share it with someone else.